What is the value of the expression 2 squared plus 96 divided by 4 times 6? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? This expression is actually very easy, but it tricks 99% of people. Let's break it down and solve it together. To solve this question, many people start by calculating 2 squared first, and instead of the original expression, they rewrite it as 4 plus 96 divided by 4 times 6. And the next step, they usually perform the addition between 4 and 96 and simplify this expression to 100 divided by 4 times 6. Then, they proceed by doing the division between 100 and 4, which gives them 25 times 6. And finally, they multiply 25 by 6, which ends up with the answer 150. Then, without any hesitation, they quickly say that option D is the correct answer to this question. However, this answer is absolutely wrong. Also, some other people when solving this question first go for the expression 2 squared and they simplify to 4 plus 96 divided by 4 times 6. And the next step, they usually go for the multiplication between 4 and 6 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, they rewrite this expression as 4 plus 96 divided by 24. Next, they perform the division between 96 and 24 since they believe division has priority over addition. And they rewrite this expression as 4 plus 4, which ultimately gives them the answer 8. And immediately, they conclude that option A is the correct answer to this question. However, it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me show you how to solve this expression properly. To solve this question, we must follow the PEMDAS rule. It means that we need to perform all the operations in order from top to bottom. Alright, as you can see in the image and this expression, first we have an exponent, then an addition sign, followed by a division, and finally a multiplication. We should start with the exponent because in this expression, exponent has a higher priority than the other operations. So, this expression simplifies to 4 plus 96 divided by 4 times 6. And the next step, we need to handle the division and multiplication, since multiplication and division have higher priority than addition. However, it's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this situation, the best thing to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move toward the right, performing division and multiplication in order. So, first we perform the division between 96 and 4, and this expression simplifies to 4 plus 24, then times 6. Now, it's time to do the multiplication between 24 and 6, which gives us 4 plus 144. And finally, the value of this expression is equal to 148. That's great. Option C is the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let's solve another tricky math question together. What is the value of the expression 24 divided by 2 times open parenthesis 6 plus 6 close parenthesis? Which option do you think is the correct answer to this question? Let's take a closer look and solve it together. And the first step, most people start by solving the expression inside the parenthesis and replace it with 24 divided by 2 multiplied by 12. And the next step, they go for the multiplication between 2 and 12 because they think multiplication has priority over division. So, this expression simplifies to 24 divided by 24, which finally gives them the answer 1. And immediately, they quickly say that option A is the correct answer to this question. But I have to say, we were tricked and it's not the correct answer to this question. Alright, now let me explain step by step how to solve this expression correctly. As you can see on the screen, in this expression, first we have a division sign, then a multiplication sign, and finally parentheses. To solve this question, we need to use the PEMDAS rule. PEMDAS shows us the priority of the order of operations. So, we start with the parentheses first, because it has the highest priority than the other operations. Okay, this expression simplifies to 24 divided by 2 multiplied by 12. Now, it's time to simplify this expression. It's very important to note that in the PEMDAS rule, multiplication and division have exactly the same level of priority. In this case, all we need to do is to start from the left side of the expression and move step by step toward the right. So, first we perform the division between 24 and 2, which simplified this expression to 12 multiplied by 12. And finally, the value of this expression will be 144.